Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. iPhone X has very unique design, so many Chinese manufacturer tries to copy it. Alcatel has already released its smartphone called U18. It also has a notch, just like iPhone X. However, its rear panel looks like Huawei Mate 10. Today, another Chinese manufacturer, Ulefone, introduced its analog of iPhone X. It is a completely clone of iPhone X on the front and back panels. It has the same notch on the front and vertical dual camera on the back. At the moment, we don't know all specification and feature of new smartphone. To be honest, we know nothing about hardware of this phone. So, today we have only design review. Later, we will try to get this smartphone for real unboxing and full review. It seems that Ulefone X is made of polycarbonate. All physical keys are located on the right side, such as power and volume rocker. The SIM card slot is on the left side. On the front panel you can see 18:9 display with quite thick bezels. I cannot say that iPhone X has very thin bezels, but Ulefone X has even bigger. Of course, the main feature is a notch above the display. It has the front camera, earpiece and other sensors. The back panel has dual camera and fingerprint reader. The camera has vertical position and LED flash is placed between two sensors. Also, you can see that Ulefone X runs on latest Android 8.1 operating system. This is great news. That's all we know about new smartphone. The Chinese company will present new smartphone on MWC 2018, which will be held from February 26 and March 1. So I'm waiting for official release and hope that it will be good competitor to iPhone X not only design but also in the hardware. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.